My little one is definitely going to love this gift. This surprise is just for you.
Dad, please help me.
I will find you, no matter where you are, wherever you are right now.
We have a friend who needs our help. He is lost and alone.
Let's help him!
Has everyone heard my words clearly?
Yeah!